A very good morning to you and welcome to the Morning Outlook Report. I'm Rachel Jones reporting live from Kalkine TV Sydney studios. Now, Australian shares are poised to open lower this morning. That's as commodities retreated. The price of oil fell, pacing energy stocks lower in New York. Yesterday on the ASX, the best performing sector was communication services. They were up 1.9%. According to the latest SPI futures, the ASX 200 is poised to open the day 12 points or 0.15% lower. Yesterday, the benchmark index ended the day marginally higher at 7,448.7 points. The worst performing sector was consumer staples, down almost 2%. The best performing stock on the S&P ASX 200 yesterday was the Unity Group. Their shares closed 5.8% higher at $4.20. They're followed by shares in Reliance Worldwide and Whitehaven Coal. The worst performing stock on the S&P ASX 200 was Codan. They closed the day 18.8% lower at $10.95. They were followed by shares in the A2 Mill Company and Champion Iron. Yesterday, the ASX 200 increased 0.07% to 7,448.7. Over in the US, on Wall Street, the Dow Jones was down 0.7%, the S&P 500 was down 0.5%, and the Nasdaq was flat. Let's look at some local news from this morning now. ANZ has recorded a $6.2 billion profit, beating consensus. They reported their full-year cash profit was beating expectations, 65% better than a year ago. The stronger profit result was driven by the partial reversal of COVID-19 related credit provisions. ANZ Bank New Zealand Chief Executive Antonia Watson said the results reflected record demand in the housing market, a stronger than expected economy and a significant reduction in provisions the bank put aside last year. Unibel Rodamco Westfield reported their proportionate turnover for the first 9 months of 2021 amounted to €1,981 million. That was down 16.5% year on year, predominantly reflecting the impact of the COVID-19 crisis, particularly the restrictions that were applied in the first half. Shopping centres slipped 11.9% to €1.248 billion. While office and others tanked 28.7% to €50.9 million. Convention and exhibition dropped 26% to €70.5 million, while property services and other activity revenues decreased 13.7%. And OpenPay has delivered strong growth in core businesses and is now officially live in the US. The company saw the highest increase of active merchants, up 87% relative to the prior corresponding period in the first quarter of financial year 2022. Customers were up 56%, and OpenPay UK entered healthcare and doubled their active customer numbers. Well, now it's time for a very short break, but stay tuned for more news set to affect the trading day.
Hi there, James Preston for Kalkine TV. Are you into gaming and virtual reality? Does AI and the endless possibilities it entails capture your interest? Or are you constantly trawling through the web to try and discover the latest updates and innovations in the tech space? Well, let us do the work for you. From the latest product launches to shocking affairs on the World Wide Web, exclusive interviews and information about the top companies like Apple and Google to brand new tech startups vying for your attention. Kalkine's Tech Beat has the latest in what matters in the world of technology. Join me every single Thursday on The Tech Beat, exclusive to Kalkine TV.
Welcome back. This is the Morning Outlook Report on Kalkine TV. Now, the European Central Bank is set to meet on Thursday this week, and the US Federal Reserve met yesterday, they're meeting next Wednesday, and the Bank of England is set to meet later today. On the commodities front, oil prices fell after US crude oil stockpiles rose more than expected. West Texas Intermediate crude oil fell 2.89% to $82.20 a barrel. Brent crude, that's oil's international benchmark, fell 2.5% to $82.24 a barrel. Prices of safe haven gold eased in choppy trading as strong tech earnings prompted some investors to opt for riskier assets. Gold jumped as much as 0.22% to $1,796.70 an ounce. Well, that's all for the Morning Outlook report here on Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. This is Rachel signing off for now.